So another exercise that we can also use to encourage weight bearing and weight shifting, Raven's doing a very good example of a sit to stand, but that's not what we're working right now, is just a cookie stretch. And a cookie stretch is important because it helps them shift their weight into the back legs, but we're not actually forcing them to do that. We're doing that by gentle encouragement. So with someone just sort of gently supporting the dog underneath, we want them to just take their head round, as far round to the hip as we can. And what that's doing is that's making her shift her weight or her center of gravity back onto these back legs a little bit. The main thing with this exercise is that we want them to hold that position for at least 5 seconds. So each rep is around 5 seconds. If they're really struggling with 5 seconds, reduce it to 2 seconds. So the dog will sort of tell you if they can't hold that stretch for too long, then they're letting you know that that's a weakness. So we need to grade back the exercise before we progress it for longer. So I usually start with, say, an average of 5 second hold, and we hold there and we do 10 reps each side. So every exercise we do, apart from if I specifically tell you not to, is one where you're doing it in both directions. And sometimes some dogs, they always say don't work with children or animals, but sometimes it's really hard for the dog to understand what we're doing. But with time and repetition, they begin to sort of expect and understand what we want from them.